Information about cumin. Cumin is a popular spice known for its unique flavor and medicinal properties. It is widely used in Indian cuisine. Cumin is known to improve digestion, aid weight loss and boost immunity. It contains antioxidant, iron and anti-inflammatory properties, making it extremely beneficial for health. It not only enhances the taste of food but is also a natural remedy for health. A detailed description of which is given in this video. Nutritional value of cumin per 100 grams, 375 kilocalories. Calories provides energy for daily activities. 44.24 gram carbohydrates provides energy and dietary fiber. 10.5 gram dietary fiber promotes digestive health and prevents constipation. 17.81 gram protein helps in muscle repair and growth. 22.27 gram fat contains healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. 1.535 gram saturated fat minimally contributes to unhealthy fat intake. 1-70 unit. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function. 7.7 milligrams. Vitamin C boosts immunity and acts as an antioxidant. 3.33 milligrams. Vitamin E protects cells from oxidative damage. 5.4 unit. Vitamin K essential for blood clotting and bone health. 0.6 to 8 milligram. Thiamine, vitamin B1, supports energy metabolism and nerve function. 0.3 to 7 milligram. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, helpful in energy production and skin health. 4.579 milligrams. Niacin, vitamin B3, supports digestive and nervous system health. 10 units. Folate, vitamin B9, important for DNA synthesis and cell division. 931 milligrams. Calcium, strengthens bones and teeth. 66.36 milligrams. Iron prevents anemia and supports oxygen transport. 366 milligrams. Magnesium regulates muscle and nerve function. 499 milligrams. Phosphorus supports bone health and energy production. 1788 milligrams. Potassium maintains fluid balance and heart health. 168 milligrams. Sodium regulates blood pressure in moderation. 4.8 milligrams. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing. Major chemical components in cumin. Essential oils. Cuminaldehyde, the major compound responsible for cumin's distinctive aroma. Terpenes, compounds such as pinene, cymene, and terpenine, which contribute to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Phenolic compounds, flavonoids and phenolic acids, such as luteolin and apigenin, which provide potent antioxidant effects. Major chemical components in cumin. Alkaloids, contribute to the anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits of cumin. Proteins and amino acids. Cumin contains essential amino acids, such as lysine and glutamic acid, which support overall health. Vitamins and minerals. Cumin is rich in vitamins A, E, C, and B complex, and minerals, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Cumin is beneficial in digestion, helps reduce flatulence, gas and indigestion, improves nutrient absorption by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes, and reduces symptoms of other gastrointestinal disorders. Antioxidant properties are found in cumin, which reduces oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cumin reduces inflammation in conditions like arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease, boosts the immune system. The high content of vitamin C and iron boosts the immune system and helps fight infections. Respiratory system. Cumin acts as an expectorant, providing relief from cough and cold by clearing mucus. Diabetes control. Improves insulin sensitivity and helps control blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Cumin has antimicrobial properties that help fight bacterial, such as E. coli, and fungal, such as Candida, infections. Cumin boosts metabolism, which helps reduce obesity. Cumin helps prevent cancer. Antioxidants like cumin aldehyde and flavonoids reduce the risk of cancer by preventing DNA damage. Beneficial for heart. Cumin is also beneficial for heart health by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, HDL. The bioactive compounds of cumin help in preventing various diseases. Anemia. Cumin helps fight iron deficiency anemia. Diabetes. Cumin regulates blood sugar levels and improves insulin function. Osteoporosis. Cumin is rich in calcium, which strengthens bones. Skin disorders. Cumin has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties which help in treating acne, eczema, and other skin problems. Respiratory disorders. Cumin acts as a bronchodilator, providing relief in asthma and bronchitis. Cumin is renowned for its digestive properties. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, reduces bloating and relieves indigestion. Cumin water. Boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water. Strain and drink this water hot after a meal. Cumin tea. Add cumin seeds to boiling water, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and drink it as a soothing tea. You can also add ginger or lemon to it for added flavor and benefits. Cumin with buttermilk. Mix roasted cumin powder in a glass of buttermilk and cumin is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great option to include in the diet to boost immunity. Golden milk. Add a pinch of cumin powder to your turmeric milk. Golden milk. Seasonal flu remedy. Consume cumin powder mixed with honey daily during flu season. Cumin helps in weight loss by improving metabolism and reducing obesity. Cumin and lemon water. Soak cumin seeds in a glass of water overnight. Boil it in the morning, strain it and add lemon juice and drink it on an empty stomach. Add in salads. Sprinkle roasted cumin powder on salads. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of cumin make it beneficial for the skin and hair. Face mask. Mix cumin powder with honey or yogurt to make a face mask. Hair rinse. Boil cumin seeds in water, let it cool and use as a final rinse after shampooing. Relief from cold and cough. Consuming cumin powder mixed with ginger and honey provides relief from cold and cough. Anti-inflammation paste. Make a paste of cumin powder with water or coconut oil and apply it on the inflamed area to get relief. Start using this wonderful cumin today and reap its amazing benefits. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. This will inspire us to make more informative videos. Thank you.